of support of our education.
13 with 77%.
In another story, civil society groups across Africa have raised concern over violence meted on dissenting voices criticizing government vices. The groups say the move is shrinking the democratic space in African countries. They were speaking on Tuesday during the launch of a book, The Future of Democracy in Africa, in Nairobi.
And I'm grateful for African Liberty for leading the way on having that conversation, inviting different writers from around Africa to talk about this.
Finally, IGAD Leadership Academy, with the support of Japan government, on Tuesday began a 3-day training workshop on transformative leadership for peace and democracy for Sudan women and youth in Mombasa. Speaking during the opening session, IGAD Leadership Academy Director Dr. Simon Nyambura said that as IGAD, they have hope in youth and women of Sudan that they will bring peace and stability.
We hope that this is a step shaping the better future for the conflict-ridden Sudan.
Catherine Imuraget, KTN.
Well, thank you, Imuraget, for that. Let's now take a look at